Okay, let's talk about what's been happening with us so far and give you guys a little update. It's December 17th now, which means Ben and I have been apart for about 1 month. Our house is still not fixed. Our landlord is being really difficult and not moving as quickly as we needed it, and Christmas is next week. We've had a million, 100,000 million discussions about what we should do and what's the best course of action, and we decided that we need to regroup. And so to regroup, we think we need to leave our apartment in New York, pack all our stuff, and come back to Miami and stay with my family a little bit and just see what's best for us and best for our relationship and best for this business, and hopefully it's the right choice. I'm pretty excited because I get to be back with my family, and also like Miami weather is the best, but it's a little nerve-wracking because coming back home is not as easy as it sounds. So yeah, we have 5 days, just maybe a little more, 6 days to get back. I'm going back to New York in about an hour, so I'll be in New York tonight on Tuesday. Our moving company comes Saturday, and we have to sell our car, our old Ford. We have to pack our stuff. We have to make sure the Toyota is ready to go, and we are going to rush to Miami and make it for Christmas. So yeah, wish us luck. I made it to New York with Ben. Woo. Woo. Our house is a mess, and we've been working all day. I started packing. Ben is working on the car. It's been a productive time, but then this happened. Look at that. It came out of nowhere. Ben is still working hard on whatever it is he's doing down there. It's rain or shine, or snow or shine, or whatever. I miss Miami already. We are, let's check the date today. Sunday, December 22nd. We are 2 days from Christmas Eve, 3 days from Christmas. At my family, we do Christmas Eve dinner. That's like the big holiday thing we do. But I'm not in Miami. We are currently in New York. We've been really bad about filming because we've been so stressed out and like trying to get everything together. We've packed so many boxes and got this whole place cleared in 4 days. We reserved a pod, shout out pods, because they're super convenient. They bring like a little storage box to your house. They drop it off. In our case, since we live in the city, the tow truck guy stays there. We have 4 hours to pack up our stuff. We have amazing friends who came and helped us. Shout out Nina and Julian. And we also got a TaskRabbit to help us get everything together and put it in the pod, and we did it. Our plan was to leave today at noon, but our rooftop tent has been pretty difficult to put on our new roof rack, which we're super excited about. Front runner, we splurged and got the front runner roof rack, so we're feeling pretty fancy. But it's like a little bit of rocket science to install the equipment on the rooftop tent to get it then on the car. So right now Ben is with another TaskRabbit. I'm now obsessed with TaskRabbits, and he's helping Ben get the rooftop tent on the roof rack. Hopefully that's almost done, and then we can just finish packing up the stuff we need to put in the car, and then we'll be on the road. And if we make it to Miami before Christmas Eve, it will be a Christmas miracle. So I'll let you know when we're back in the car. Maybe we'll update you before, but that's where we're at. Happy holidays. You guys, it's freaking 3:48 a.m. We made it out of our apartment. All our stuff is gone. A lot of it's in this car. It's sagging really hard, and we really have to pray to make it to Miami in like a day.
We pretty much need a Christmas miracle to make it to Miami right now. Like, this car hasn't been the most reliable car that we've definitely ever owned, and we've somehow got to get it to go to Miami, and it's 3:49 a.m. and we're like just leaving now. So
the plan is to just keep driving. Like, I have my pillows and my blankets, and I'm gonna sleep, and then I'm gonna wake up, Ben take the wheel, Ben's gonna sleep, and like we're gonna do our best to just keep going, because our what's it called, the trunk isn't like the lock of the trunk isn't working, so we can't lock our car properly, and our whole life is here, and so I don't trust us like staying in a hotel, right? I don't think I want to do that.
I don't want to do that at all.
And it's too cold for a rooftop tent.
It's not too cold.
It's too cold.
It's not too cold.
It's too cold.
It'd be so cozy in there.
Oh my god, I would just no.
Yeah, like,
okay, we'll think about it tomorrow or
right.
Today, later.
Anyway, let's hit the road.
Hit the road. We're going. Bye.
There's a new hole in the exhaust on the other side now. Like a big one. Like, same thing. Same shit, different day. Literally.
Story of
I
our
could not have done a worse job of this. The bit I repaired is perfect, inside the spot.
Are we gonna make it though?
You can hear it. That's the new noise. Remember I said to you I could hear like air rushing?
Are we gonna make it?
And when you like... Yeah, right there.
Hello?
Yeah, we're gonna make it, it's fine.
Okay.
But I was worried it was in the engine.
We're gonna be okay.
Oh my god, it's in lights and everything. Where are we?
We're in Miami. We made it. 26 hours later. 4 a.m. yesterday we left, and it's 6:30 a.m. the next day, and